first warning weather with meteorologist Tommy House.
Well, today was technically a cooler than normal day. We hit 86. Our normal high is 89. It was pretty nice. We had some humidity, but we'll take it. And we'll stay in the 80s, by the way, for at least the next 7 days. I don't have any sort of extreme heat anytime soon in my forecast. All right, your 3-day Memorial Day long weekend forecast for you. There is a storm chance. Now, notice Saturday's at 60%. By Sunday, 40%, by Monday, 20%. So it goes down by the day. There will be these very long extended periods without any sort of rain, but a slow-moving storm could bring a flood threat. So right now, nothing. I mean, the radar is completely quiet here in Central Texas. Great time to be outside and kickstart the long weekend. I am watching right now this cluster, this line of a few strong storms. One is severe. Overall, these should weaken as they move further east, but still some rain and some thunderstorms in the hill country can't be ruled out. All right, time for clouds and radar. I'm going to show you 2 sets of data that I have, and then I'll tell you what I think is going to happen. Computer model number 1, already struggling with storm placement because this is not happening right now, but it has a pretty good job of picking up those storms out toward the hill country past around 9, 10 o'clock. So that's where I think Mason, Gillespie, Llano, and San Saba could see some thunderstorms right around 11, 12 o'clock. And could they reach the Austin area? I think they're going to be relatively weak. By Saturday morning, you're waking up still mostly dry. Few hit and miss pop-up storms are expected through the day, but followed by partial clearing. And there will be some blue sky by the afternoon. So it could be nice to get outside for a bit. I am watching, though, evening dinner plans for your Saturday. Some of these slow-moving pop-up scattered thunderstorms can certainly bring some heavy rain, quick rainfall over an inch, maybe even some hail and some strong wind gusts. So computer model number 2, let's transition to the second set of data, already is showing these storms out in the West Texas part of the state arriving a bit sooner, meaning I don't think that these storms will be right there by 7, 8 o'clock. But let's keep this going. So through the rest of the evening, by around 10 o'clock, getting closer to San Saba, Llano, and Gillespie County. Still showing the hill country, getting some sort of action late this evening, but it's not a lot. But still working toward Austin right around midnight. We'll have to see. And then it's scatter. So eastern counties, I'm talking Bastrop, Milam, Lee, and Fayette, not much of a cause for concern, at least this evening and overnight. But as we advance this through your Saturday, this computer model is keeping a lot more cloud cover in play during the afternoon. That's not going to allow the atmosphere to fully recharge. So therefore, during the evening, here's 5 o'clock. Remember, computer model number 1 is showing some storms. This one's not really showing much. I mean, maybe a little pocket of rain here and there. I still think, though, during the evening hours for Saturday, we have to be watching for some strong storms, even if this computer model isn't showing much. I do think that window, so 5 p.m. to around 10 p.m. tomorrow is going to be where a few strong to severe storms could fire up. Carries into Sunday, the same story, a thunderstorm here and there, followed by some breaks in the clouds. So it's just going to come in waves and rounds through the next few days. Storm Prediction Center, level 1 out of 5 severe risk for most of the 15 counties. The specifics, flooding the biggest concern from the saturated soil, but a low to moderate hail, wind, and not expecting any sort of tornadoes at this time. For Saturday also, the flood threat. Here we go, level 2 out of 4 for most of us in that yellow shading, and that's from those slow-moving storms, most likely either from late this evening or also for your Saturday past 3 p.m. So something to watch there. So 1 to 3 inches real quick for the rainfall totals, isolated 3 inches plus, although most will be over that 1-inch mark, I'm thinking, through the next 7 days. This active pattern continuing as we wrap up May. We'll be right back.